Hello to everyone. Today I will try to install this fog light to the scooter over here. I really love that scooter, so I'll try to improve and maybe add more stuff to it. I will first begin with this fog light. I bought it from AliExpress. I will put a link in the description if you like it. I show you the stuff I have for it because I don't have a crash bar, so I have to do something else instead of attaching to a crash bar. After long research, I found these brackets, which I'm gonna to attach it like this. Then to find a place on the scooter that fits the best, and also that I can adjust it to have a good light on the road. I don't know how to open the scooter, but we will find out. I was thinking to put it right here in this position together with this bracket and other bolts and nuts that I have to make it work. And also I bought the kit together with the harness, with the relays. This one right here, this is the relay and the harness, because I want that the battery doesn't drain when the scooter is off. We'll see inside what kind of power source we have. So that's one light. Of course it comes with a lot of brackets to attach it on the crash bar, but not something else. So you have to do a little bit DIY. So this is the other one. It looks like this. Looks good, very good quality. Yeah. Waterproof connectors. That's how it looks. It is aluminum body. Here is good quality plastic. Here is glass, not plastic, which is important. No more talking, let's start. Okay, so here is where I am at the moment. A lot of screws. Be careful, because they are all different length. Some are shorter, some are longer. As example, these are two. They are the same, but different length, so keep in mind from where you take it out to put it back better. Organize them somewhere and write down, or if it's possible, put them back on the place, so when you install it you can't be wrong. Still have to open this piece over here. It's kind of difficult. A lot of things have to be removed still. As I said, I have never removed nothing from the scooter. That's the first time. I see here behind, because I want to remove this part here, so I have access behind it for the bolts to drill the holes and guide the cable. Almost there. Okay. So as you can see, it's not only screws, there are also some clamps with snap on. Be careful, don't lose the metal. So now that's pretty much it. I have to open. I don't need it anymore. I don't have to take it out completely. That's enough. I'll come back later to prepare everything. Okay, so here is an update. Little problem. This is M8 and the bolt is smaller, so you have to place it under right here, and always be careful for the negative side and the positive side. Black comes with black and red comes with red, like that. Little bit of spark, that's normal. So that's how it comes, and this is the fuse. Try to attach it somewhere that is not in the way in case of battery replacement. I'll try to do it here somehow. Over here with the... So guys, after connecting the battery, there is nothing left to do. We can already try to power it on. We have a button here, so push the button, lights is off, on, off, on. Very simple. Now we have to guide the cable to the location I want to install the headlight, the fog lights, and the relays as well. I'll try to find a place for it. Here is the problem. This connector is too big, so I don't want to make a big hole on the plastic. Somehow I have to remove the connector and then put another shrinking tube. We'll see how it goes. So China didn't put the rubber protection here for waterproof. Maybe they save some money. Let's see how we remove the wires. Very bad crimping from China, guys. Very bad. I will search if I have those pins to crimp it, to put other pins. I put some shrinking tube over. I have the pins, but I don't know exactly where. I don't waste time no more. So guys, I'm sorry I lost the last part of the video where I have assembled everything. I don't know what happened, or my kids have touched the button of the phone, or I forgot to push the record button. But the job is complete, and I will quickly show you how I have done it, so you do it yourself, because you have an idea now how to make it. First, if you are thinking that this is not strong enough, let me show you. I push very hard on it and it's not moving at all, or maybe just a little bit of flexing, not so much, but believe me, it's super strong. So here is nothing like a steel behind it. The frame, it's only on the middle of the scooter, nothing on the sides. Everything is plastic here, but heavy duty, very strong. But because here it's this corner, the plastic, it's even harder, so you can attach it without any problem. And it's also thick. So yeah, as you can see, I can also move it up and down if I want to. This frame, it's not touching the yellow panel. It's just a bit of gap here behind, and the cable is guided into a very small hole of exactly the diameter of the cable. Here I overspray a little bit, but yeah, I will fix it. You can't see it very well. Maybe on the other side, because the light is not so good. That's one, that's the other one. The same placement, everything it's the same. Maybe here we can see behind the cable going inside. Yes, a little bit, yeah, you see it. It's very well done, I think. I use inox bolts, but I found also the black ones. I don't know if I remove it to place another one or no, but maybe I will leave it like that. It's not a big deal, as long as it's inox and it's not rusting. So that's pretty much it with the installation. They are working very good in the night. The cars see you very well now. They kind of going onto the side of the road when they see the lights, so you are more visible on the traffic, not only on the night, because yeah, not everybody drives on the night or is very late. Now I will quickly show you how they look like when they are on and off. The power is 20 watts for each, so in total 40 watts. And the beam, I will say, it's kind of good, sharp. I will show you in the video later on, when it's getting dark, how it looks like. Maybe the quality will not be very good, because I record it with the phone, not with the camera, but maybe later. Anyway, guys, this is where I place the button. It's on the right. I should place it on the left side, where the lights of the button for the light is, and maybe I will change it later on. One thing I have to mention, because I put the relay directly on the battery, you have to be very careful when you use them to turn them off. When you shut off the engine, because it does not shut off automatically. Probably you forget or not, but I will see how it goes. If I forget it too much and the battery dies, yes, you are in big troubles. But I'm thinking at something to connect it with the ignition, so when the ignition is off, the light is also off. But for this I need another relay. I will find one. More things are coming. I'm preparing some stuff to do other things, like yellow tinted lights, both of them. Also, I will make a bracket for the phone holder, something nice, sturdy. And also I try to put a LED light, a very thin one, on the edges of the screen over here. I'm thinking of the color. I have some blue ones. I will put a picture quickly here to see how it looks like, just for an idea. I think it's awesome. Also, what I want to do, I want to find some LEDs, orange, for the pinkers, to that I see it better, because sometimes I forget to turn them off. So I will try to put a LED 12 volts that it's looking to me, so it's much more visible when I forget them to shut them off. Also, I'll try to, but this is later, where those vents, yeah, fake vents are. I will try to drill this plastic here and put some orange lights that you are visible from the sides also, but I just want to be it like a orange shadow. I think will be looking amazing if it goes as planned. I will see that. Yeah, a lot of things are coming, so check me off on YouTube. This is my first video ever, so forgive me for a mistake. Maybe I have done a lot. Yesterday I cleaned it. Looks pretty. All the plastics are clean and shiny, better than I bought it. Let's make some dark to test the lights, show you how it looks like.